Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today we are diving into the exciting world of BingX, a leading digital asset trading platform. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience and unlock amazing benefits, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the BingX Referral code and the commission structure that can significantly benefit you. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you can access exclusive rewards that will elevate your trading journey. BingX offers users a range of features, including spot trading, derivatives, and user-friendly interfaces. By incorporating the referral code CHUCHU when signing up, you can enjoy a host of advantages that will not go unnoticed. First and foremost, using the referral code grants you a significant trading fee discount. This means that every transaction you make will cost less, directly affecting your overall profitability. The savings can add up quickly. Additionally, BingX has an enticing commission structure designed to reward its users. As you trade, the platform provides opportunities to earn commissions not just for your trades, but also for referring friends and family. By using the code CHUCHU, you'll not only benefit yourself but also invite others to join this thriving community. With each successful referral, you'll receive a percentage of their trading fees as a commission. This means the more friends you bring on board, the more rewards you unlock. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Don't forget that the world of cryptocurrency is rapidly evolving, and staying ahead is key. By leveraging the advantages provided by BingX and using the referral code CHUCHU, you position yourself for success in this dynamic market. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey with BingX today. Utilize the referral code CHUCHU during your sign-up and watch as the benefits unfold. Subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insightful content and stay tuned for more updates on how to maximize your trading experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Happy trading!